Hello everyone, welcome to Olive Board. My name is Varsha Dhiman, and in this particular session, I'm going to tell you about the role of NABARD in India, why NABARD is important, and what are the important functions that NABARD perform. So this is a very important session for all those aspirants who are targeting NABARD Grade A examination for the year 2025 because you may directly or indirectly have some questions related to the role and the responsibilities of NABARD, as we are completing the different schemes, as we are discussing about the different schemes launched by different ministry. So there is a role that is assigned to NABARD as well in the different schemes. So you will be capable of understanding the scheme और वहाँ पर NABARD का क्या role है from with the help of this particular session. So welcome to this particular session. First of all, I'm requesting you all please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will get the notification of all the classes on time, as well as install the application of Olive Board, register yourself there and be the part of the team of Olive Board and start your preparations with us. So let's start our today's very important discussion. So firstly, the one important thing that you should know, what is the full form of NABARD. So NABARD stands for National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. So it is also clear from the name that this is a bank which is dedicated to agriculture and rural development. And so the one section in the examination, that is ARD, Agriculture and Rural Development, which is important for your phase 1 and phase 2 examination board. So why this particular bank, why this bank is dedicated to agriculture and rural development, and what are the important roles and responsibilities given to this particular bank? We are going to discuss about all these things here. So this bank was established in the year 1982, and when it was established, there was one objective or one aim in mind that we have to work upon promoting sustainable and equitable agriculture and rural development in India. Okay, so यही मेन एजेंडा था इस एजेंडा के साथ ही इस बैंक को एस्टैब्लिश किया गया था कि रूरल डेवलपमेंट को एंड एग्रीकल्चर को सस्टेनेबल एंड इक्विटेबल करना है so that all will get the benefits of it, all the resources will be utilized in a proper manner, right? So let's talk about the key roles of NABARD in India. So as you can see the word refinance. So NABARD is considered as a refinancing agency. What do you mean by refinancing agency? See, finance करना किसी को financial support provide करना, refinance करना, see someone is providing you the financial support and you are providing financial support to that someone. Okay, so NABARD क्या करता है that these are the regional rural banks located in the rural areas. ठीक है, उनको फंड की नीड है ताकि वो फार्मर्स को फंड प्रोवाइड कर सके. The farmers can use that fund for buying the fertilizers, for buying the basic inputs that they are about to use on their agricultural land, and for purchasing the tractors or mechanization tool. ठीक है, तो रीजनल रूरल बैंक्स आरआरबी का काम होता है फार्मर्स को फाइनेंस करना, फार्मर्स को लोन फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करना. अब जो रीजनल रूरल बैंक्स हैं उनको कहाँ से फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट मिलता है? उनको फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट और ये सब फंड प्रोवाइड करता है NABARD. ओके, सो NABARD इज कंसिडर्ड एज रीफाइनेंसिंग एजेंसी. ये रीफाइनेंस सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करता है कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स को, रीजनल रूरल बैंक्स को एंड अदर फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस को एग्रीकल्चर ऑपरेशंस के लिए, रूरल डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए. इट इन दिस विल इंक्लूड द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट्स एज वेल. वो भी हम आगे अभी डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है, so this is one important role. Yeah, these regional rural banks will get their funds from NABARD, and the one important thing is that कि NABARD इनको lower interest rate पे ये funds provide करता है. तो इसीलिए जो RRB है वो भी farmers को affordable rates पे loan provide करेगा और फिर farmers के जो basic needs है that will be fulfilled. ठीक है, तो एक है refinancing agency, इसका रोल है. सेकेंड इसका इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है क्रेडिट प्लानिंग एंड मॉनिटरिंग. ठीक है, सो व्हाट द NABARD डू, इट प्रिपेयर्स डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल क्रेडिट प्लान्स. डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे कितना आपका फ्लो होना चाहिए रूरल एरियाज में, रूरल जो एरियाज हैं कंट्री के, वहां पे कितना क्रेडिट फ्लो होना चाहिए, कितना मॉनिटरी फ्लो होना चाहिए. ठीक है, उसके लिए जो भी प्लान्स हैं वो सभी प्रिपेयर करने का काम भी NABARD का है. so that proper allocation रहे funds का, proper utilization रहे funds का, for what purposes the funds are allocated, they will be supplied for that specific purposes only. ठीक है. Next है NABARD act as a developmental role. ठीक है, ये डेवलपमेंटल बैंक और डेवलपमेंटल रोल भी परफॉर्म करता है. सो दिस इज NABARD. Okay, let's suppose this is NABARD and how it is helping others. So ये क्या करता है, ट्रेनिंग एंड कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग प्रोवाइड करता है रूरल बैंक्स के लिए एंड अदर इंस्टीट्यूशन. सो व्हाटसोएवर द रूरल इंस्टीट्यूशंस आर, RRB जो रीजनल रूरल बैंक्स हैं, कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स हैं, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स हैं, ठीक है, माइक्रो फाइनेंस इनिशिएटिव्स हैं, उन सभी को NABARD एक डेवलपमेंटल रोल प्ले करते हुए उन सभी को ट्रेनिंग एंड कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग प्रोवाइड करता है. ठीक है, एंड ऑल्सो प्रमोट द फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स एंड माइक्रो फाइनेंस इनिशिएटिव्स. सो देयर इज एन एग्जांपल रिलेटेड टू इट सो दैट यू विल बी कैपेबल ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग द रोल ऑफ NABARD एज अ डेवलपमेंटल एजेंसी. ओके, सो लेट्स सपोज देयर इज अ विलेज इन एनी स्टेट और उसके अंदर 15 women ने मिलकर एक सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप बनाया है एंड दैट सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप है डिसाइडेड कि विल डू सम सेविंग टुगेदर, विल वर्क अपॉन अ स्पेसिफिक प्रोजेक्ट और वी वांट टू स्टार्ट अ स्मॉल स्पाइसेस बिजनेस. ठीक है, तो NABARD, व्हाट द रोल द NABARD विल प्ले, NABARD उनको ट्रेन करेगा, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप स्किल सिखाएगा एंड हेल्प देम गेट अ लोन, और कैसे वो लोकल बैंक से लोन ले सकते हैं. ठीक है, जो भी रीजनल बैंक्स हैं, how will they get the loan from the local banks and support their business growth through microfinance and capacity building programs. Okay, next है NABARD also play a role of supervisor. ठीक है, so here you can say I'm like using an example to help you to understand that. So this is NABARD. And what NABARD is doing here, NABARD is supervising the other local banks, regional rural banks, cooperative banks, ठीक है, ताकि हमारा जो banking practices है that will be fair and sound and compliance with regulations and whatsoever are the regulations there they will be followed. ठीक है, suppose एक cooperative bank establish कर दिया गया है एक XYZ state में but cooperative bank is not working properly. उसके जो lending practices हैं, money lend करना and other जो भी work and responsibilities given to that local cooperative bank, that cooperative bank is not meeting them और उनको वो fulfill नहीं कर रहा है. तो what the NABARD will do, NABARD उस cooperative bank को visit करेगा, उसको guidance provide करेगा and ensure it कि safe and transparent banking standards will be followed and all the activities that are going on in that particular area that will be supervised properly. So when you will be selected as a NABARD grade A officer, तो आपकी ये roles and responsibilities होने वाली हैं. As a assistant manager, you will be the part of this policy and implementation of this supervisory role of this developmental role. Okay, so you will not directly deal with the people or the customers. You will have to deal with the banks. Okay, so this is one role of NABARD. Another is infrastructure development. So infrastructure development, rural development, as it is also mentioned in the name of the bank, it help in, so through the Rural Infrastructure Development Fund, RIDF, NABARD fund projects related to जो भी projects हैं that are going to happen in an area related to irrigation, related to roads, bridges, drinking water and rural connectivity. In सभी projects के लिए fund will be needed and NABARD will act as providing the fund. Okay, so there is a village, I am giving an example, and वहाँ पे proper irrigation facilities नहीं है. Okay, agriculture भी suffer कर रही है because of lack of irrigation facilities है. So state government want to build, state government को चाहिए कि हम एक छोटा सा check dam वहाँ पर बना दे, but fund limited है. We are not having enough fund. So in that case, NABARD will provide you the fund under the Rural Infrastructure Development Fund. And this fund will be utilized to build the dam. It will help the farmers get waters for crop year round. Okay. Next important function that is performed by NABARD is policy advocacy. So what it do, it advises the central and state government on rural credit policies and development strategy. As we had discussed so many times in our sessions, whenever we talk about an assistant manager, when you will be selected as an assistant manager in NABARD grade A, your main role will be supervising or advising the state and the central government when they are about to form the policies and working in the developments and strategies. Okay? So this is also one of the role of NABARD. Another one is innovation and technology. See, like we keep on following the traditional practices for a long, will not get good results. Okay, after some time we have to move towards the innovative technologies or the new and the modern technologies. So NABARD promote करता है modern technologies के use को farming में, agribusiness में, rural banking में through various pilot projects and funding support. ठीक है, so here's an example related to it. Farmers in X state are struggling with traditional farming methods. NABARD funds a pilot project introducing drip irrigation and mobile-based weather alerts. This leads to better yields and more income. So that's how this project was started. ये एक fund NABARD ने एक pilot project के लिए fund करा and that's how drip irrigation was introduced in an area. और मोबाइल बेस्ड वेदर अलर्ट जब फार्मर्स को मिलने लगे दे विल बी अवेयर अबाउट कि क्या कुछ नियर बाय प्रैक्टिसेस होने वाले थे एंड दैट्स हाउ it helped the farmers in getting the better yields and the more income. Okay, so these are some important roles that are played by NABARD. So in that way we can say that NABARD is not just a bank but a developmental backbone for India's rural economy. ठीक है, NABARD एक सिर्फ बैंक नहीं है. So when you will targeting the NABARD grade A examination, you are not targeting any banking job. You are about to be the part of this particular mission, which is including this particular roles and the responsibilities that will support the farmers, support the women, infrastructure development, and the sustainable practices as well. Okay. So I'm mentioning these things here also for encouraging innovations, motivating partners, coordination with partners, group linkages, training and capacity building, group formation, technical support, credit support, influencing policy. And I hope now the things are clear in your mind, like what are the roles and the responsibilities you are about to do when you will become the part of the NABARD as an organization. Okay, and this is a batch which is available for your better preparations on the application of all reports. Aspirants, if you want to target with us, be the part of this batch and start your preparations with us. Thank you so much, and if you like this particular session, please write in the comment box as well. Bye bye and all the very best.